Low sperm count is a marker of future health. Sperm count is a marker of future health, and low sperm count is a marker of poor future health.
Wow.
And particularly more heart disease, more diabetes, more reproductive cancers, and the big kicker is earlier age at death. And men should know it.
Yes.
Yeah.
So women go to their doctor, to their OB/GYN, and they go every year usually, they get a pap smear and they get a checkup and everything's checked out, right?
Yeah.
Men don't.
Men don't.
Men don't. Most men on the street, you say, do you know your sperm? I mean, you wouldn't answer.
I actually do, but the average person, no.
But the answer would be no.
No.
And one reason is that, you know, they just assume that when they're ready to use it, they're good to go, right?
Yeah.
And sadly,
It's
that's
not
not
what it
always
is.
the case. Yeah.
Yeah.